This is the story of four fat rats. One rat was given stearic acid, which is found in chocolate butter. Two rats were given vegetable oils, like the oils which are found in regular chocolates. While this last rat was given low fat diet in the hopes that low fat diet will reduce the belly fat and reduce the love handles. Assalamu alaikum, wonderful people. I am Dr. Asma Mahmood, and which of these rats actually lost their belly fat, we will know right after the intro. This 100 grams chocolate bar costs 700 rupees, and today we will make it totally free. If you want to become a millionaire, watch the video till the end. To make a delicious and healthy chocolate bar free from vegetable oils and refined sugars is neither difficult nor expensive. We will make a chocolate bar just like this with the ingredients which are used in this bar. First of all, we'll start with cocoa butter. Make sure that the cocoa butter that you're using is actually food grade, because cocoa butter is also used in cosmetics. And the health benefits of any chocolate is actually based on the ingredients of the cocoa butter. Next, we will add some chocolate powder. I am using Hershey's chocolate powder. You can use any other unsweetened chocolate powder. And this next ingredient is optional. I am adding coconut milk powder because I like milk chocolate. Anyway, if you are adding coconut milk powder, make sure that your coconut milk powder has only one ingredient, that is coconut milk. There should be no additional additives like sugars or preservatives. Next, for some wonderful aroma and flavor, add some vanilla. And now we'll add the sweetener of choice. If you are following a keto diet, or you want to lose weight, or you are diabetic, then you can add a safe sweetener like stevia. Otherwise, if you are not diabetic, the best sweetener in the world, which is antioxidant rich, is date sugar. The next ingredient is your own choice. If you want your chocolate to be like store-bought chocolate, smooth and silky, add some emulsifier like lecithin. Make sure the lecithin is sunflower lecithin, because usually soya lecithin used, which is GMO. That is a bad thing. Anyway, just mix up all the ingredients and put them on a double boiler for half an hour, or till your chocolate becomes smooth and silky liquid like this, with no lumps and no bumps. And just like this, your healthy chocolate is done. You will agree that even a baby can make this chocolate. Just pour out your chocolate in your favorite mold and leave it to solidify. Easy peasy. If you want to add some texture to your chocolate, you can add anything. Like I have some raisins, I have some pumpkin seeds, some sunflower seeds. You can also add any dry fruits like walnuts, hazelnuts. I love hazelnuts, so I'll be making my chocolates with hazelnuts in them. What you want to fill in your chocolate is your choice. How you want to shape your chocolate is your choice. And you must have seen recipes of chocolate with coconut oil over the internet. And no doubt coconut oil chocolates are healthy. But the thing is, they won't hold their shape. Without a fridge, they'll just start melting. And this chocolate, as you can see, it is a perfect shape, perfect texture, and you can see the temperature of my room at this point is 30 degrees Celsius. And at this temperature also, my chocolate is solid. And remember the 4 research mice that I showed you in the beginning of the video? You know which of them lost the most of the belly fat? The mouse that was given stearic acid in the form of chocolate. So this chocolate can be a total game changer. Instead of causing belly fat and causing you to become obese, it can actually cause you to lose belly fat, which you will agree is the most stubborn kind of body fat. So instead of giving your loved ones store-bought chocolates which are rich in bad oils and refined sugars which cause disease, why don't you make them these chocolates? They are really easy to make, as you have seen. And you can see I've made this chocolate for my niece. You can add the nuts that they like, and you can make them in the shape that they like. I made this chocolate in the shape of the name of my niece, Filza. And believe me, she really loved it, because she knows that she won't be finding such a chocolate in any superstore of the world, no matter how much money she pays. So as you can see, we just replaced the unhealthy vegetable oils with healthy cocoa butter, and the unhealthy sugars with healthy sweeteners, and the GMO soya lecithin with sunflower lecithin. Let me know in the comment section below, for whom did you make this chocolate for? Or are you selling this chocolate commercially with proper packaging and proper marketing? Till we meet next time, take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.